Hello again from Fagersjö, Stockholm, and I'm catching the last rays of sunlight today, and believe it or not, it is just 1:30 p.m. The sunset is at 3:04 exactly, but it is actually very low now and it is getting behind the tree. So I need to get ready for a ice bath, winter ice bath. It is 0 degrees Celsius in the air on this 25th of November, and I think it's around the same in the water, in the lake Magelungen. As you can see, it is still frozen because we have had -5 degrees during the night. So let's get going, speed up for Chris to go in for an ice dip. So let's get into swimming trunks. Woohoo! And Chris is ready for some ice crashing and for the winter ice bath as well. And we're gonna measure as well the temperature in the water. But first, let's get crashing with the last rays of sunlight for today. Oh, it's very hard actually. Okay, let's see. It's very hard today. Okay. Let's get one of these and throw it away. Oh, it's very heavy. Okay, let's find a smaller one. So satisfying to watch. So satisfying. Oh yes. In with the water thermometer as well, while I crash some ice. I think this is enough for me for a very quick dip in the ice. Oh, it's freezing. It's so freezing indeed. Let's see what we have. And I'm not sure how this is possible, but 3 degrees in the water. Maybe only the top layer of it is 3 degrees below. It's definitely colder than that. Okay, so I really hope you enjoyed this ice crashing with me. And now we're gonna go in for a very short dip. So yeah, it's time to go for the ice dip. Oh. It's good that there is no wind in the air, which means it is not so cold. And as you can see, the ice and snow is also away, but it still feels very cold. And now I realize I have made a very small path for the ice dip, so I might need to make it a bit further, and I need to crush some more ice in order to be safer. But the ice is very hard, so I'm just gonna go with the flow. Okay, all right. Okay, are you ready? Chris and Winter Paradise. Okay, ready, set. Okay, and go. Whew. That was ice cold. Ice cold indeed, but also satisfying to enjoy. Yeah, that's a wrap then from this ice bath, short ice bath in Fagersjö on the frozen lake of Magelungen in Stockholm, Sweden at the end of November. Thank you so much for watching this episode, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.